In this video, we are going to do a quick walkthrough to familiarize ourselves with the menu system. We're going to go back to MOBA Xterm, click on Recent Sessions. That logs us into the command line. There is a link you can copy in the repository, or you can type in cd:\K2 Improvements and then type in shmenu.sh. We are now in the menus. The top part of the menu is the overall status of the machine. Right now we don't have either path installed. We pulled the main branch of the repository, and the firmware in the printer is 1.1.5.5. Option 1 is status and diagnostics. This gives us the overall status of what's installed on the machine. Right now, there's no core components other than skip setup. Netware and Better Root were installed with Bootstrap. So you can come back here at any time and see what you have installed. Press enter to return back to the main menu. Option 2 is our install paths. Option 1 is a stock probe No-Cartographer setup. Option 2 is to install the cartographer. In a menu, 0 for back. 3 is cartographer tools. Number 1 and number 2 are for flashing the cartographer. Number 1 is for it can auto detect the hardware that you have installed, whether it's a V3 or V4. DFU is if the normal flash doesn't work. DFU will let you recover to the current firmware. It's a little more involved as you have to short out a couple of pads on the cartographer itself to put it in DFU mode. Option 3 lets you select what mount and offsets you're using. 4 and 5 are more information only options. 0 for back. Option 4 is optional extras. So you have the R3-man bed if you have that installed on your printer, KAMP adaptive purge, axis twist compensation, and plate-aware save meshes. Security secure auth if you want higher security on your SSH connection, you can use that, and there's a full walkthrough for it. I put the R3-man bed in here because I have that installed on both my printers. It puts in the thermistor settings into printer.config. It also sets the active thermistor and remarks out the stock thermistor. Axis twist compensation was included from the upstream fork. I've made sure it installs, but I have never set that up. The No-Cartographer install by default saves meshes as bed temperature, chamber temperature. When you install plate-aware save meshes, it will add in what type of plate you have installed to that. That information is passed from the slicer, and depending on what printer profile you choose, it will pass the plate or not. If it doesn't, it will go back to the default way of naming the meshes. It will also search for a mesh based on which printer profile you have selected. Back out of here. Number 5 is maintenance and recovery. Core component installer. You can install each of the core components separately if you'd like. This is the order they should be installed in. Factory reset and cleanup tools. You can run a Creality factory reset only, wipe sock all, or run the improved cleanup, which deletes some other files and folders that the Creality factory reset leaves behind. 0 for back. And then number 6, update installer. That will update your printer with any updates to the repository. Now we'll exit out of here, and we are back at the command line.